Welcome to this Arnold Culliford knitwear tutorial on working a 3/3 right cross without a cable needle. This video is part of our Something to Knit Together Winter Edition series, and the cables are used in this lovely assembly scarf designed by Natalie Warner. Cabling without a cable needle is a really handy technique to be able to use. So we've worked in pattern until we are ready to work our cable, and our cable will be worked over the next 6 stitches. And the basic premise of a cable without a cable needle is that you rearrange the stitches on your needles first and then you work across them all. So in order to do the 3/3 right cross, the first job is to rearrange the stitches. So I'm going to take my right needle tip and I'm going to put it into the front of the 4th, 5th and 6th stitches on my left needle. These are the ones that are going to come across the front of the work. So I'm going to insert my right needle in the front of those 3 stitches, and I'm then going to slip the left needle out of all 6 of the cable stitches. So I've got 3 stitches sitting on my right needle and 3 here that are hanging loose. I promise you, in a yarn that's got a little bit of wool, a little bit of stickiness, they really aren't going to go anywhere. And even in a fairly slippery yarn, just for a minute or 2, they will sit there quite happily. You then going to put the left needle tip back into those 3 stitches, so you're going to pick them up again, and you can obviously, when you're not explaining it to somebody else, you can do that movement quite quickly. With them safely back on the left needle, we're now going to return these 3 stitches to the left needle as well. There we go. If I just move them along a little, you should now be able to see that we've got our 6 cable stitches. They're all a bit scrunched up because they're now in the right order in which to be worked. So the second set of 3 is in front of the first set of 3 on our needles. And here we go, we're going to just, it's a straight right cross with all knit stitches, so now all we need to do is knit those 6 stitches. I definitely recommend that you have a try at cabling both with or without a cable needle, because it's absolutely preference. There's no right or wrong way. You can do it either. There we go. We've completed that cross. Here we are at the end of the row, ready to work that 3/3 right cross again, and I'm just going to quickly show you again how it works. So we put the right needle tip into the front of the 4th, 5th and 6th stitches on the left needle. We slip the left needle out of all of them and then back into the 3 stitches that are hanging loose. We put the right stitches on the right needle back onto the left needle. So they're all now safely back on the left needle, and then we just simply knit across all 6 of them. And the one on the end. And there's our 3/3 right cross completed. I do hope you found that video tutorial on working the 3/3 right cross without a cable needle helpful. Please do click the link up top right to visit our website, where you can find lots of books to teach you new techniques as well as beautiful yarns. Every purchase from our website keeps our videos advert-free and enables us to make more of them for you. You may also wish to subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking the button in the bottom right-hand corner, and that way you'll be notified when we release a new video tutorial. Thanks ever so much for watching. Bye-bye.